How to send a large voice recording on WhatsApp. To get started, you need to open the Voice Memos application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can see your recordings list. Choose a long recording. Swipe from right to left to enable these options. Now, tap on the three dots from these options. A menu like this will appear. Select the option Share from this menu. You will get to see many social media platforms to share the recording. You need to slide into the WhatsApp application and tap on the WhatsApp icon over here. Then, you will get to see a list of your contacts. Tap on the contact with whom you would like to share the recording with. Now, hit Next. Check the file size and duration and tap on the Send button. Once done, close the tab. And now, open the WhatsApp application. Go over to that particular chat to view if the recording has been sent successfully. And as you can see, the recording has been sent. So, by following these steps, you can send a large voice recording on WhatsApp.